が完成した。勝ちに行くぞ。
Hey guys, Utkarsh this side, welcoming you on Weeb Residence. So today's video is going to be on one of the hashiras, Tengen Uzui. Well, Tengen Uzui is the sound hashira of Demon Slayer Corps, whom we saw in the Entertainment District arc. Tengen was born into a family of 9 children within a shinobi clan. 3 of the 9 children died before they even reached 10 years old, due to overzealous training. With the remaining 6 of his siblings, they were forced to kill each other on their father's orders without them knowing who they fought, as their heads and faces were covered with masks. Tengen realized his father's trick only after he had killed 2 of his younger brothers. By the age of 15, 7 of his siblings had already died, leaving only him and his younger brother, who is 2 years younger. Uzui's family practices polygyny, so when Tengen turned 15, he must have 3 wives, who were chosen by the head of the clan. As children, his father had forced them to undergo harsh and intensive training as an attempt to save the clan, and influenced them to believe that they needed to dispose innocent lives for their benefit, and solely have a wife as means for producing offsprings. As his last remaining brother adopted this mindset and did not feel bad about killing their other siblings, Tengen became appalled and decided to leave the clan permanently. He left the village with his wives without fighting his brother. Following the departure from his clan, Tengen and his family searched for Kaguya Ubuyashiki to help fight for the Demon Slayers, and he formally joined. Tengen would later go on to climb the ranks of the corps and became the sound hashira before Sanemi Shinazugawa, the wind hashira, became a hashira, and when Kanai Kocho, current insect hashira, was just a member. Breathing style. The breathing style of Tengen Uzui is sound breathing, which is created by himself. Sound breathing seemingly combines Tengen's heightened sense of hearing, his musical score technique, his shinobi expertise, as well as his dual nature in clavers and his anti-demon bombs. The known technique of sound breathing. First form, roar. In this form, Uzui lifts his twin swords above his head and slams them down with great force whilst simultaneously creating an explosion with his bombs to deal massive physical damage, causing a loud sound resembling thunder as a result. Fourth form, constant resounding slashes. In this form, Uzui holds his swords apart and spins them rapidly in conjugation with releasing his bombs, creating massive explosion while defending himself from attacks. Fifth form, string performance. In this form, Uzui holds one of his sword with reverse grip and spins the other using the chain that connects them. He coupled this by also releasing numerous bombs to detonate, causing great explosions that deal massive physical damage. Equipments carried by Uzui. Dual nurturing cleavers. His swords are said to have large amount of explosive power, and it is stated that until Tengen's fight with upper rank 6, no one had ever survived a blow from them. His blades are engraved with the phrase, Destroyer of Demons. Explosive beads. Tengen carries dozens of black beads that create large explosions with the slightest impact that are capable of harming the bodies of upper rank demons. Standard kunai. Other abilities of Tengen Uzui. As a Hashira of the Demon Slayer Corps, Tengen is a very powerful and skilled combatant. He has displayed incredible physical feats of strength and speed, being the second physically strongest Hashira in the current generation, as well as being the fastest runner out of all the Hashira. In terms of skill, he could match the combat proficiency of both Daki and Gyutaro, both upper rank demons that have fought and killed numerous Hashira in the past. Tengen was also able to effortlessly decapitate Daki without her realizing it, to the point that he didn't even see her as upper rank demon at all.
Ne? そっちから来たの。手間が省けた。
うるせえな。お前と話してねえよ。うせろ。お前上限の鬼じゃねえだろ。弱すぎなんだよ。お前じゃない。
何よ、バカなこと。
His abilities include enhanced hearing, echolocation, musical score, immense speed and reflexes, immense stamina and endurance, immense strength, muscle control, and enhanced stealth. And the last, poison resistance. When we talk about the muscle control of Tengen Uzui, we have seen in the Entertainment District arc during the battle of his with Gyutaro, Tengen used his muscles to stop his heart to temporarily prevent the poison from circulating, which let him get the drop on Gyutaro, who believed he was dead. This is all about the backstory of Tengen Uzui, his abilities and his breathing technique. Hope you liked the video. If you did, then like the video, share it with your peers, and if you are new on this channel, do consider subscribing. Arigato.
綺麗。ありがとうございます。
ああ。
天元様、天元様。あたしも。
お前は自分でつけたんだろう。
天元様の意地悪。ありがとうございます。